Do you remember when u-Aunt Wama 2000 featured me on an episode ebeyikhuluma ngayo uhamba juba? Well, feedback isibuyile, and you know I probably have a lot to say after you had watched the video kuqala la ekhuluma khona. Asemlalele ukuthi uthini.
Kuyisifiso sami ukuthi simuze sonke ugatsheni ukuthi uthini.
Tshela ayikho ngidlile. That's honest. But there's other people that got paid. If the song didn't get blocked, I would have paid you probably. I don't know. I hurt your feelings. Maybe I did you bad, but there's other people that I did right. I really thought I was going to be a multi-millionaire with you. So when I lost that, it pissed me off. I'm older than you. I should have done better than you. It's not going to happen again with other songs. But I'm really, really sorry. I'm going to solve this issue.
While some commended him for the accountability and maturity to apologize, others bashed him, but this apology is insincere and arrogant. When uthini wakumbona, ubhale la kuma comments. This is what JL had to say in response to Sifiso's apology.
Yeah, our apology accepted. Then I also apologize maybe if I feel like maybe gonna go insult or maybe, and I also apologize like on behalf of a friend. Understand? If yeah, now raw, and then when at some point you thought maybe can now one.
Oh, bro, thank you.
This is beautiful.
Now, firstly, sekufana neculo kumina ukuthi imali idliwe in this industry. I believe that we do need better ways to handle imali. Firstly, I did try to reach out to uBhutilo okhalayo ngokuthi udlelwe imali, and I tried to advise ukuthi isakhona enye imali edue to yena that uSifiso could not claim. So now, in a situation like this, there's more than one monies that are involved. Kube khona imali ye-master, kube khona imali ye-publishing, kube khona imali ye-performance. I'm sure wherever he's been performing that song, he's been getting that revenue. And then bese ukuthi le yama DSPs, well, that's the one he hasn't been receiving, of course. Bese kuba ile ye-publishing. Publishing is then divided into two, 50% publishing, 50% writer. And each time you talk to a publisher, low 50% bazo treat her as 100%. So now, imali ebengeke zakwazi ukuyithinta uSifiso at all, imali ye-publishing. Whatever percentage that he has on the song for publishing is still due to him. So that's the money I would like to help him claim. And if kuguthi afinyelela le video nakuyena, he must trust Vumani V from H Rose.